Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll guide you through how to efficiently track your sales pipeline using Recruit CRM's contact stage feature. This tool offers a straightforward way to monitor your contacts throughout the marketing and sales funnel within Recruit CRM. By utilizing these stages, you can gain insight into the progress of client relationships within the system. There are several methods available to change the stage of a contact, and the first involves updating the contact stage in bulk for multiple records simultaneously. To begin, navigate to the contact list page via the left sidebar, then select the records of the contacts you wish to update. Once you've made your selections, click on the Update field option at the top and choose the Stage field. Pick the specific stage you want these records to be moved to and hit Submit. You'll have the option to specify your reason for the change. After completing this, you'll notice the bulk update has taken effect. Alternatively, you can update the stage of a particular contact individually by clicking on their profile, accessing the Detail page, and selecting the Contact Stage option to set the desired stage before hitting Submit. And there you have it. You can perform this action individually right from the Contacts Detail page. There is also a third method to change the contact stages. Once you're on the list page, you can switch to the Kanban view via the button next to the Add Contact option on the left. In this view, you'll see all your contact stages displayed as a Kanban board with your contact records as movable cards. Simply drag and drop these cards to the desired stage and hit Submit. This will update the stage for the specific contact right from here. Furthermore, you can customize these stages based on your workflow and change the default stage for contacts to suit your workflow. To do this, go to the Admin settings found on the left sidebar. Under the CRM Process Customization section, click on Contact Stage. Once there, a Customize button will be visible at the top. Click it, and you'll have the ability to mark a specific option as default. These default settings will ensure that any new contact entered into the system automatically goes to the designated default stage. Additionally, if a contact stage update is overlooked within the system, those contacts will automatically fall into this designated default stage. You can also introduce a new stage to align with your workflow by using the Add Stage button at the bottom left. Click it to create and name a new stage of your choice. You can also set the created custom stage as the default if needed, and you can use the dash button next to the stage name to remove any custom stages. Once the customizations are done, simply click Save and your changes will be saved and ready to use.